Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2019 Infiniti Q50 Luxe that we have for sale. This is a clean Carfax vehicle, really nice luxury sports sedan at a great price point. Serviced and checked by our Infiniti techs. Very nicely appointed with features. You have beautiful wood trim, power front seats. We have a dual display system. The top screen is for the clock, Bluetooth settings, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access the drive mode selector. This will make changes to the transmission and engine. It can make changes to the steering. Active trace control will brake individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. And you can also access the drive mode selector here as well. Using this screen, you can kind of drill down a little bit deeper and personalize it. This also works pretty well too. 7-speed automatic transmission, has adaptive shift control for better acceleration of a turn, corner, or when accelerating up a hill. It'll momentarily hold the current gear. It also has a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, put it to the left, push up to upshift, back to downshift to get rev matched downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. Automatic dimming mirror of universal garage door opener. Moonroof, nice leather wrapped steering wheel. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes. This one has 38,374 miles. Good amount of warranty left. You have the balance of a 4-year, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and a 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Infiniti has one of the longest warranties in the luxury segment. Really nice, easy color to take care of, and beautiful graphite gray on graphite interior. You have upgraded premium 18-inch wheels. Even though the Q50 is considered a compact vehicle, it's not too bad in interior space. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. Still have a decent amount of legroom back here. The Q50 is built on the advanced furniture platform. Pretty much the sportiest Infinitis we've seen over the last 15 or 16 years have been built on this platform. Even the Nissan 350 and 370Z are built on this advanced front midship platform. It's a rear-wheel drive based platform. They take the engine, they place it as far back behind the front axle so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle for the best 50-50 weight distribution as possible. The Q50 is built and assembled in Japan, so if you do value Japanese build quality, the Q50 delivers. Sorry about this rain. It was a little bit nicer, but it started raining when I started doing this video. But what are you gonna do? Hopefully when you come and look at this Q50, it'll be nice and sunny out. We have a trunk mounted spoiler, tinted windows, and of course it's been serviced and checked by our Infiniti Tax Group. Better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us. Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. We'll make sure that all the recalls are up to date, and obviously we know what to look for in these vehicles since we're very familiar with them. The heart of the Q50 is this VR30 twin turbo V6. Pumps out 300 horsepower, features direct injection. This was a new engine for 2016, replacing the aging 3.7 liter V6. You have twin turbos. You have one small turbo for each bank of cylinders. Very responsive, very nice engine, very smooth and powerful. Beautiful bi-xenon lights. 2019 is a great year for the Q50 because it got its first major revision. It got an interior and exterior refresh for 2018. Well, I'm going to get out of this rain. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and please contact us with any questions, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day.